Breaking news right now about a murder case that has been making news in the Twin Cities for more than 15 years. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tina Taylor.
And I'm Kara Suggs. Within the hour, McLean County officials have announced that they are dismissing the case against Alan Beaman.
Beaman is the former Bloomington man who was convicted of the murder of an ISU student, Jennifer Lockmiller. She was strangled in August of 1993 in her apartment just off of campus. Beaman has dated Lockmiller. He was charged and convicted and was in prison until last summer, when the state Supreme Court freed him. Since then, he's been waiting for a decision on the case from McLean County prosecutors. TV 10's Bailey Dietz was in court this morning. She's waiting to get reaction from Beaman and his family, and we hope to have a live report from her later in this newscast. Welcome back to TV 10. We actually have a break in a story that we mentioned to you earlier about the Alan Beaman murder case back in 1993. Bailey Dietz is now live with Alan Beaman in the field. Bailey?
I'm here live outside the McLean County Law and Justice Center, where what started as a status hearing has now turned into charges being dropped for Alan Beaman. And we are here now live with Alan Beaman. So what was going through your mind there in the courtroom today, and you are now pretty much a free man?
Well, I guess I'm a bit stunned still. It was not a complete surprise in the courtroom. We had about 5 minutes of notice ahead of time what was going to be happening, and it's nice that they decided to be smart about that. I'm hoping that we'll be able to move towards getting my name completely cleared of all suspicion and slander in this case, and in the meantime, I'm just going to try to live my life, but it feels good to have another step in the right direction.
Right, and your attorneys pretty much, they continued to argue that there was no evidence in this case and that you should have been innocent to begin with, so they did a pretty good job of getting it to where it turned out to be, don't you think?
I think so. I think that, you know, when the Illinois Supreme Court calls the evidence tenuous, they're making a point that they want to be heard, and of course we've believed that all along, and it's unfortunate that at this time in McLean County in America that someone can be charged and convicted on nothing. So I hope to draw attention to that issue and see if we can't make it a little better. So.
Okay. And a little bit of the hearing today was focused on getting your bond refunded, and you're asking for 100% of that refunded. Tell us what happened with that a little bit.
We paid $25,000 to bond me out. We paid $100,000 I don't know, 14 years ago, something like that, a long time ago. You know, they took 10% of that too, plus then some, and they, you know, I think it's only fair that I should be able to walk away completely from this. It's done.
Now, what's next for you, Alan?
I'm going to figure that out.
All right.
So.
All right. Well, good luck to you.
Figure that out.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. We're here live outside the McLean County Law and Justice Center again, where the charges against Alan Beaman have been dismissed. All that's left to talk about is the refundal of his bond, and the case in the death of Jennifer Lockmiller is still unsolved. I'm Bailey Dietz, live outside the McLean County Law and Justice Center. Now back to you.